I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Geogebra Graphing. Use the graphing calculator layout so tools are visible. You need to set axis scales quickly. Click the gear or right-click the background to toggle grid and change units so your data fits. Next, focus on the input bar. Type y equals or an equation and press enter to plot. This first step places your curve. Once done, zoom and pan to check intersections and initial behavior before moving to transformations. Now you build complexity by adding parameters and interactive controls. Create a slider for a coefficient or exponent so you can drag and observe effects in real time. This is how you learn parameter sensitivity. Use the object list or right-click a function to edit its formula, style, and domain. Change color and thickness for clarity. Once multiple functions exist, combine them algebraically or compose one into another to compare behavior. Make sure to label important points so your visual story remains clear. Finish by refining the display. Restrict domains for messy functions, add points of interest and tangents, and show derivatives or integrals if needed to explain behavior. Use the style bar to tidy colors and line weights. Once the graph communicates the point, export as PNG or SVG or copy to clipboard for a slide. If the plot looks wrong, check domain, hidden objects, and slider values, common culprits. If nothing helps, reset the view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.